Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect OspreyFX to TradingView, but before we start, there's something really important that you need to know. So that is, OspreyFX has officially announced that it's ceasing operations and all users were told to withdraw their funds before July 7, 2025. That means you can no longer connect OspreyFX to TradingView or trade through their servers. Still, I'll quickly show you how the process worked before so you can apply it to other brokers that are still active. Normally, you would open your OspreyFX dashboard, go to My Accounts, and copy your MT4 or MT5 login details. That is your account number, server name, and password. Then on TradingView, you're going to open a chart and you're going to click the trading panel at the bottom right here. It's just next to the Pine editor. So in your super charts, you will see it at the bottom of your page. Now from here, you can search for OspreyFX or MT4/MT5 if OspreyFX didn't appear. So you will see this find broker, which is also the search bar. You're just going to type in OspreyFX. But of course, we can no longer see this because OspreyFX is no longer operational. But before, you can see it, and then all you have to do is you're just going to click on connect and then enter those details. Once connected, you could trade directly from your TradingView chart. Since OspreyFX is now closed, the best thing to do is withdraw any funds left in your account and move to a regulated active broker that supports TradingView, like Pepperstone, FXCM, or Owanda. You can follow the same steps to connect those brokers instead. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.